Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing part 2 of building the ice rink. The aim of today's video is mainly to try and get the ice rink complete, and I'm going to tidy up most of this area around here. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Please subscribe as well, as it helps me out a lot. We're nearly gaining on, well, we've nearly got 300 subscribers. But yeah, I'm gonna do all of this, tidy it, do a lot more than I did in the last video, and then I'm going to, in the next video, part 3, I'm gonna be doing the lights, like putting the lights on. So yeah, that should look awesome. So yeah, let's begin with the time lapse. Okay guys, that's it for the time lapse. I actually had to change servers because there's loads of exploiting going on. But yeah, anyway, here is the ice rink. If you're wondering what this hole in the middle is, this is where the Christmas tree's gonna go, and I'm gonna do a little display going around. I don't know, probably some lights and stuff. I'm gonna do a little archway here, and I'm gonna put a wire over the top so I can connect it from this side to there. And also, I'm going to add loads of lights around the other side. That'll be in the next video. It looks good up to now. So yeah, it looks alright up to now, and I'm going to continue working on it. But yeah, that's been it for this video guys, and I'll see you in the next one.